Hi guys, how's it going? Today we have a great video for learning French. This is the best way ever. In this method, I will say a sentence in English and you have 5 seconds to translate it into French. This way you challenge your brain. Are you ready? Let's get started. Possessive adjectives in French. Adjectif, possessif. Possessive adjectives in French follow the noun in gender and number. And we have lots of examples to show you how to use them in sentences. Look at this table and be ready for the questions. Let's get started. This is my mother. This is my mother. C'est ma mère. C'est ma mère. Don't care who's talking. Just care who you're talking about. If it's feminine, say ma or use ma. If it's masculine, say mon, mon. Next question. This is my father. This is my father. C'est mon père. C'est mon père. Father is a masculine word, so we use mon. This is my wife. This is my wife. C'est ma femme. C'est ma femme. Wife is a feminine word, so we use ma. Ma femme. It's my country. It's my country. C'est mon pays. C'est mon pays. Country is a masculine word, so we use mon, mon. They are my parents. They are my parents. Ce sont mes parents. Ce sont mes parents. Because this word is plural, we used mes, mes. They are my friends. They are my friends. Ce sont mes amis. Ce sont mes amis. Ce sont mes amis. This is your bike. This is your bike. C'est ton vélo. C'est ton vélo. This is your car. This is your car. C'est ta voiture. C'est ta voiture. These are your books. These are your books. Ce sont tes livres. Ce sont tes livres. Ce sont tes livres. She's his sister. She's his sister. Elle est sa sœur. Elle est sa sœur. He's his brother. He's his brother. Il est son frère. Il est son frère. Il est son frère. These are his colleagues. These are his colleagues. Ce sont ses collègues. Ce sont ses collègues. Ce sont ses collègues. This is our house. This is our house. C'est notre maison. C'est notre maison. C'est notre maison. This is our motorcycle. This is our motorcycle. C'est notre moto. C'est notre moto. C'est notre moto. These are our flowers. These are our flowers. Ce sont nos fleurs. Ce sont nos fleurs. Ce sont nos fleurs. It's your job. It's your job. C'est votre travail. C'est votre travail. It's your birthday. It's your birthday. C'est votre anniversaire. C'est votre anniversaire. C'est votre anniversaire. They are your grandparents. They are your grandparents. Ce sont votre grands-parents. Ce sont votre grands-parents. Ce sont votre grands-parents. It's their problem. It's their problem. C'est leur problème. C'est leur problème. It's their fault. It's their fault. C'est leur faute. C'est leur faute. These are their bags. These are their bags. Ce sont leurs sacs. Ce sont leurs sacs. Ce sont leurs sacs. That was great, friends. How many questions did you answer correctly? Please leave me a comment and like this video if you like it. And subscribe if you are interested in learning French easily. Thanks for watching. Au revoir, mes amis.